So in this video, we're going to log into Replit. You already have an account. We'll go to the Replit website, log in, and make our very first file in Python. Open a browser. It can be any browser, Firefox, Google Chrome. Go to the address bar and type Replit. Okay, this is the website of Replit. On the top right, instead of sign up, we will click login because we already made an account. So I'll click login, and then I will click continue with Google. Alright, so because I already logged in with my Google account previously, Replit already put the username and password for me. So before I make anything, any file in Replit, I want to make sure that it's my name here. Then I can see this my Replit folders and that this button create Replit file. Now that we are logged in, let us now create our very first Python file. So I'm going to click this button, create Replit file. Then over here, you need to choose the programming language that you want to make with this Replit file. So because we're learning Python, we will click this. So click Python. And then for the title, it can be any name. And for this activity and the next videos, we will learn about the print function. So let's type here, print examples. In this folder, in this project, we will make different examples using the print function. So Python and then title, and then after that, click create Replit file. Now when you have this, you can just click X and then wait until this is done, and wait until you can see this and this one here on the right side. So as you notice, once again, please go up here and look at your name and the project name. And then under the files, this is the Python will give you this file, main.py. This is where you will type all the commands, functions, instructions with Python. So you did not type this file. Python or Replit already provided this for you. Every time you make a new project, this file will be there. So this file is only accessible, only the scope of this file is only for this project. So anyway, the file is there, the file name is there. Then over here, it's waiting for us to type our first program with Python. So the first function that we're going to learn is print. So this is how it should be written. Okay, we call this syntax. Syntax is how you write the command. Okay, we need to follow the syntax. We cannot make our own. For example, over here it says it should be a small p, a small r. You need to follow those. So you cannot do something like this. You notice there's a red underline. We need to exactly follow how the function should be written. So we call that the syntax. Also, please note that there's no space there. See, if I put space, there's a red underline, meaning to say there's something wrong. So just print, and then we have the open and close parentheses. Then inside here, we can put whatever we want to be displayed in the console. Console is like the output screen. So this is where we type the instructions, the commands. When we click run, anything that we want to be displayed on the screen will be here. We want to display any string or text. So if it's a string or text in programming, we should put it inside a double quote. It can also be single quote, but I think it's a good practice for now if you will use double quote. Now the double quote on the keyboard is the one that you beside the enter key, and you should be using the shift key for that. So I'm going in my keyboard, I'm going to press shift and then the double quote symbol. Okay. So this is the open quote, then close double quote. Inside it, that's where we will type our text or any message we want. So let's try. Hello, how are you? All right. So let's try it. Let's click run. There's no red underline. It tells us that everything is good. Let's click run. All right, so that's it. So it's in the console, in the output, displays hello, dot, space, how are you, including the spaces and question mark. Okay, so that's how we log in, we make files with Replit. Okay, in the next video, we're going to learn more about print function. Okay, let's sign out now. I'm going to click this again, go back to the main, click my name and log out over here. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.